Gather 1 pound of thick-cut bacon, a medium head of green cabbage, salt and pepper, and some butter if you're feeling indulgent. You'll also need vegetable oil for frying. Let's kick things off with the bacon. Cut it into small pieces and fry in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's nice and crispy. Once done, set it aside on paper towels to drain, but make sure to leave the bacon grease in the skillet. Now it's cabbage time. Chop it into thick shreds or wedges, however you prefer. Here comes the southern twist. Using the same skillet where you fried the bacon, and with the bacon grease still sizzling, add the chopped cabbage. If needed, pour in a bit of vegetable oil. This ensures there's enough fat to fry the cabbage. Fry it over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it begins to soften and the edges start to crisp up. Season it with salt and pepper during cooking for that extra kick of flavor. When the cabbage is cooked to your liking, it's time to bring back that crispy bacon. Stir it into the skillet, let the ingredients cook together for a few more minutes, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious Irish and Southern fusion dish. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. If you're up for it, add a few pats of butter for an added richness. It's hearty enough to be a main dish, or serve it as a side to complement your favorite meats. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.